What's up, bro? So it's day 2 of trying to get my AI automation agency to 10K per month. Today we have some very, very good news, honestly. So the first thing is I'm getting way more replies than before on my Instagram campaign, and that's a very, very good sign. I wouldn't say a lot of people are interested, but we can say I have like 4 people who are interested right now in active conversations with the about the the AI voice agent. So I've set up a demo for all 4 of them. I've sent it over to them and they tested it. One of them was like, yo, holy shit, this is actually so nice, this is so valuable, blah blah blah. And yeah, I pitched him. It's like, yo, let's hop on a call, trying to get him on a sales call and send him the link, but no calls is booked just yet. So that's gonna happen. And the next goal is that there's 10% of those people who text me and try it out will actually end up booking a call. And from the 10% that from the people that from the 10% of people that already booked a call and hop on the call, 20% of them will buy. This is like on average, but I believe with my skills, with my sales skills, I can get it to 40%. So yeah, all I need now is to make people book calls, to find like the best line and everything so they can book the call and everything. What else do we have? Yeah, I've also, let me show you over here. It's giving me errors because I don't have internet. Let me take you from here. So what you're gonna see here is an automation to send personalized emails. Can I actually edit it? Yeah, nice. So here in a Google Sheet, I will have a list of people. I don't have internet. I was gonna show you, but I have no internet. But anyway, I'll have the list of people that I collected from Google Maps, businesses, everything, websites. And from here, I'm gonna use this module to find the person's email. So I'm gonna insert their website and all the information that I have, and this module will find their email. And then here it will check the email status, if it's valid, if it's not. Here it will split the name because for some reason this website, it just combined the first and last name. So yeah, here with all the information we got from these 3 modules, this one is gonna do some deep research about them, and then it will find a LinkedIn profile or a LinkedIn URL, and the LinkedIn URL will insert it here. So this can go on LinkedIn and scrape all the data about them, all the posts they have, the bio they have, all of that. And then this will wait a bit because this takes a long time. And then get the data, we'll have everything. And then here we will create the icebreaker. The icebreaker is basically the first liner that will get them interested in reading the rest of the email. It's like, hey Basim, I know you're trying, yeah, something like that. Yo, hey Basim, I know you're trying to build your YouTube channel. I've checked it out, it's amazing, the videos that you make about skinny fat guys. I believe that these videos are so valuable. As someone who value that transformation from being skinny fat to jacked, I'd love to connect. Some shit like that. And then below it, it will be like the structured emails, like, yo, I help YouTubers get to 10K a month as fast as possible without them losing time, blah blah blah, all that shit. So yeah, this module, it will create it, and then this Google Sheet will save everything. The email, it will save the, what is it? Basically everything. The name, first name, last name, email, LinkedIn post, LinkedIn URL, website URL, all that. And from there, I'll take it and insert it in here. I don't know if I'm supposed to show you that. I mean, it's just email. Yeah. I will insert it here in a new campaign. So just download it, paste it in here, and I will have all my leads. And instantly AI will do the rest of the job for me. Let me put you back in your place, bro. There you go. So instantly AI will do the rest of the things, which is sending the email, sending a follow-up. After 2 days, after 4 days or 5 days, it will send another follow-up. And yeah, so with this, the reply rate should be 25%, and then 10% will book a call, and 20% the conversion rate. I was gonna say the closing rate. But yeah, that's it for now. We're working on it, and I found a way to get basically like pay as little as possible for all this campaign, because honestly, bro, I'm super broke, and this month has been like so hard. Not in terms of like hardship, but like there is not enough work. Like I'm working the hours that I'm supposed to work, but I'm getting way less money than before. If you don't know, I'm working as freelancer delivery driver. So basically I just go around the city, pick up orders from restaurants, deliver it to clients, and get paid basically. And this month is like the tourism month, where everybody leave the country, they go for a holiday and everything. And yeah, so hopefully now is 27th of August. Hopefully by the beginning of the new month, which is September, is gonna get better, and that will get me some extra leverage, extra cash, so I can spend it on these campaigns and shit. Because my goal, I don't know if I told you before, but the goal is to send 50,000 emails in a month, and that's a lot of emails, honestly. So yeah, in order to do that, I'll need like around 200 excuse me, bro. I need around 200 euros a month for the subscriptions and everything. So yeah, honestly, lately I've been enjoying making these videos. I don't know why, but I just love like documenting my journey, and like I know I will make it. It's just it needs so much time, and I would love when I make it and I'm sitting like in my villa or in my Lambo or whatever. I just come back to these videos and I start watching them and see like my place, see everything, see how I'm talking, how I'm stuttering a lot, my shitty ass laptop, the campaign, the beginning, you know what I mean? The beginning is the best. It's the best time, we can say, but when you're living the moment, it's hard and it sucks because you're not getting paid and you're doing a fuck ton of work. But then when you get paid and everything and life becomes easier, making money becomes easier, you're like, oh man, I remember the days when I started and I was doing this. And honestly, also the small things like these replies, for example, that I got, and the test that I've set for these customers, I might not forget it, but I might forget it as well, because it's a small thing, it's small detail. The small details, you will forget them, and I don't really want to forget them. That's why I want to document this journey. Like, not for you to, it's actually like the main reason is not for you. Like, if anyone is watching this, I know the last video got 0 views, but if anyone is watching this, these videos are like not for you, they're for me. But since I'm sharing them on YouTube, so I can store them in some place basically for free, you might as well get some value out of them, you know what I mean? So yeah, Yeah, it's gonna be amazing, bro. Lately there's like a hill close to my house. I go there and I sit, and I debate with ChatGPT. It's like, yo, am I gonna make it? What if I do this? What if I send like 1 million emails in a year and stuff? Is it possible and all that? Yeah, bro, it's crazy, man. Yeah, I really don't want to close the video. I'm enjoying it. We're on 10 minutes mark now, but I'm enjoying it. You know what I mean? I've also learned how to transfer like the domain from my existing website to the updated version of it. So basically, when I first bought the domain and made my website, I've set up a domain and everything like professional, striveai.net. You literally just search that and you're gonna find my agency. And then I made an update, but the update didn't get published on the same domain. So for like 2-3 weeks I was ignorant of that, and then I was like, you know what, let me sit my ass down, debate with ChatGPT and try and find a solution. And I found a solution and I learned how to do that. So now even if I got a client and they want to, I made them a website and they want to update it, I can literally link it and all that and update it, and everything will still run smoothly. So that's very, very nice. What I was gonna say. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I'll have to close the video, bro. What can we do? By the way, I'm hitting the gym as well. Yo, let me show you one last thing. Actually, two. So the first one is this. It's a work tracker. You know, there's habit trackers when you write your habits and you track them and everything. But in terms of work, I'm like, yo, what can I do so I can do the the 80-20 task. So basically the 20% of tasks that are the most important that will get me the 80% of the results. And I found it upload on YouTube, on my fitness channel and on this channel. Upload on Instagram, where basically I'm doing like the reels where, I'm going from day 1 to 10K a month, blah blah blah. And check on my Instagram campaign, check on my email campaign, make sure it's still warming up and everything. Go to the gym and make 80 euros in delivery. So I've been consistent in terms of the work from my agency, but in terms of gym, I missed 1 day, and make 80 euros, I missed like 4-5 days so far. Just sucks, honestly. And the second thing that I want to show you that you're gonna remember a lot, bro, and now like I'm talking to myself, is this. Look at that. It's the happiness of fridge. So basically here we got some sparkling water, we got some iced tea, we got all of this is Red Bull, we got juice here, got some water, milk, all of that. And honestly, in the hard times, whenever life gets super hard and there's not enough money and my business is not doing very good and everything, just having this fridge and grabbing a drink whenever you want, it just makes you feel amazing. So I'd highly recommend you do that. Get a fridge, small fridge like that. You can use it as a table as well, like I'm doing right now, and you can store drinks in it. And whenever you're doing some work over here, actually my desk looks kind of cool, honestly. Like it's brokey desk. Like look at this table, there's not enough space and everything. Other people will think, yo, this is shit, bro. But for me, this is amazing because I've never had something like that in my entire life. So desk, and then the fridge right here. So whenever the coffee is over or everything, you're like, get something else. I know we went off topic, so I'll see you in the next one.